Welcome to the Top 10R. Here is our list of the top 10 most dangerous animals in the world. Today we will be counting up from number 10 to the number 1 most dangerous animal in the world. 10. Sharks. 9. Elephants. 8. Hippopotamuses. 7. Tsetse flies. 6. Kissing bugs. 5. Crocodiles. 4. Freshwater snails. 3. Dogs/wolves. 2. Snakes. 1. Mosquitoes. Do you agree or disagree with this top 10? Please leave a comment, as we would love to get your feedback. Did you enjoy this video? If so, please hit the like button. Also, please subscribe to get notified when our next list goes online. Thanks for your support. Bye for now.